Sometimes it's hard to find gratitude, especially in today's world. So we're going to take just a few minutes to find some gratitude in this meditation. We're going to start by coming to a comfortable seat in Sukhasana, or if that's uncomfortable for you, you can sit up on your knees. This is a very short practice, very short meditation. We're going to start by bringing the hands to Anjali Mudra, or prayer position. And this is a mudra for gratitude, which is what we're trying to find today. We'll start by inhaling deeply through the nose and exhaling, connecting to the breath. And as you are connecting to your breath, thoughts might start to pass through your mind. Let them come and then let them go. Just observe. Your eyes can be closed or lowered. Now we're going to take a deep inhale through the nose, holding it at the top. Breathe out through the mouth. We're going to do that 2 more times. As you inhale, your stomach expands. Holding it, and exhale, the stomach contracts. And 1 more time. Inhale, hold it, and exhale. Now return to a normal breath. And as you inhale, think to yourself, I am grateful. Hold that thought that you are grateful at the top of the breath, and exhale anything that makes you feel ungrateful. So we'll do that 3 times. Inhale, think I am grateful. You can say it out loud or you can say it in your mind. I am grateful, holding it, letting out any ungratefulness. And 1 more. Inhale. I am grateful. And exhale. Anything else out. We can again return to a normal breath. Connecting to the gratitude that we have. And now on the next inhale, we're going to say one thing that we are grateful for. Today, I am grateful for my peace of mind. So inhale, I am grateful for, and repeat to yourself what you're grateful for. Hold it, and exhale everything else out. Any negativity, any negative thoughts, just exhale it. You're going to do that 3 more times. Inhale. Hold that and let everything else go. We can start to relax the jaw. If you haven't already, relax the shoulders. Feel the gratitude flowing through you with each breath. Smile a little. We are grateful today. You can flutter the eyes open at this point. I hope this has helped you find a little bit of gratitude, even if it's hard. Namaste.